Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so I'm just making this quick video to let you all know that there's a firmware update rolling out as from today. I've got the update here in the UK on the unlocked Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This is unlocked, SIM free. So yeah, this firmware update is to fix the fingerprint reader bug that was found on the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. If you didn't hear about the bug, you can go ahead and Google it. But basically, what it was, there was a bug with the fingerprint reader, and the bug allowed anyone's fingerprint to be used to unlock the device with certain types of screen protectors attached. So if you had a cheap screen protector attached to your display, there was a good chance that anyone's fingerprint could have unlocked the device. So anyway, I'm not going to get into all of that. I'm just going to go ahead and do the update. Yeah, so this video was just to let you viewers know that there is an update available. So I'm going to go ahead and do the software update. So download and install. Okay, I need to connect to Wi-Fi first. So yeah, if you live here in the UK, you can just go ahead and check to see if the firmware update is available. So this is the update. The security of your device has been improved. And the download size is 138.88 megabytes. So it's a small download. It's a quick patch. Okay, so install now. Okay, so the update is now complete. Okay, it's just finishing the system update there. Okay, whilst that's finishing, let me just go into the settings, software information. Okay, so there's a new kernel version with the date of Saturday, October the 26th. New build number. So yeah, that's the update. So now the fingerprint reader should now be fixed. Software update, the device has been updated. Okay. So yeah, that's how you do the update. Let me know if you've got the update in the comment section down below. Let me know what country you live in. Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section below. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. It's your boy, Android.time out. Doses.